We're at the Jerry Gamble Center with the Boys and Girls Clubs in North Minneapolis today, partnering with We Share Solar. Who's excited to give back? Are we excited about that? What we're doing is creating solar suitcases that will be deployed to Kenya to energy scarce schools. It's one of those resources that we take for granted. They've been really excited to be able to actually put the wires together and get engaged and excited about STEM. Pretty powerful. It's exciting and allows us an incredible opportunity to see the future of energy.